Got a noisy washer today. Whirlpool Duet direct drive. Sounds like it's coming from back here. Let's check it out. Model number we are working on is WFW72HEDW0. I do not know if this fix is going to work for many Whirlpool washers, but it usually works with the Whirlpool Duet. 3 screws on the back of the washer need to be removed, 1 in the middle, 1 on each side. With those back screws removed, this should slide back a little bit. There's your gap. Then just lift from the back. Remember I said it's coming from this back corner. Alright, I'm just gonna remove that. The plastic piece broke right there. Hook that piece back up. Now I'm gonna put this zip tie under here and then slide it down. I'm gonna go ahead and secure this with a zip tie. I don't really think it's necessary as long as one of these straps are holding the drain hose, but it's not gonna hurt nothing. It may break again, but it'll probably last longer than the OEM plastic part. Got that zip tie snipped. Let's put everything back together and check her out. We are now at full speed. Racket has gone down considerably. Well, this is not the only cause for a washing machine making a loud banging noise. Other causes may be improperly loaded clothes, improperly loaded towels, blankets, comforters can also cause the drum to make a lot of racket. But if you hear the sound at the beginning of this video and it's similar to that, this is probably your issue. If not, let me know in the comments what's going on and I may be able to help. Another option is to buy the OEM plastic part and just replace that. But that's it for me. See you on the next fix.